Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to refine trinkets in Blox Fruits Roblox. So let's get into it. Now, the Trinket Refiner is an NPC located inside the Simulation Hub, which you unlock when you start running dungeons in C2 or C3. Now, this NPC basically helps you upgrade, recycle, and improve your trinkets, the special gear you earn from dungeon runs. Now, there are two main things you can do here. First, you can reforge your trinkets. This rerolls their modifiers, those extra bonus effects like damage boosts or ability buffs. And if your trinket has bad stats, reforging gives you a chance to get something much better. Now, the second, you can scrap trinkets you don't want. When you scrap one, you permanently lose it but gain simulation data. This is a key resource for progression. Now, the higher the trinket's rarity, the more simulation data you will get. Now, this makes refining really important. You either improve your best trinkets or turn useless ones into valuable materials. Pro tip, always scrap duplicates or low tier trinkets instead of keeping clutter in your inventory. Now, overall, the trinket refiner is essential and for getting stronger, optimizing your build, and making dungeon grinding way more rewarding. Now, basically, that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!